Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best replacement faucet water filters that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5. Best replacement faucet water filters. The best faucet water filters will get the problem solved. These faucet mount filters are gadgets that can be installed directly onto your tap. Water is filtered as you open it, and comes out of the tap purified. This is much faster and a whole lot more convenient than a water filter pitcher, which excels at the same job but at a slower pace. Number 5. Waterdrop NSF Certified Replacement Filters. Upgraded filtration technology is newly adopted to reduce lead, fluoride and other contaminants, offering clean and refreshing water for you and your family. Main features: ultra clean water, highly adsorptive material, fast and stable flow rate. Number 4. AQUACREST RF 9999 Water Filter. AQUACREST water filter is designed to improve your life with clean, great water, offering you a faster water flow that can save time. Get pure water without waiting. Main features: high efficiency filtration, stronger water flow, long-lasting service life. Number 3. AQUACREST Faucet Filter Cartridges. AQUACREST Faucet Water Filter uses premium natural coconut activated carbon block with a removal rate of chlorine up to 99%. It is also tested to reduce heavy metals. Main features: high efficiency filtration, stronger water flow. Various ways to use. Number 2. Waterdrop NSF Certified 320-gallon Faucet Filtration System. Each faucet filter provides 320 gallons of cleaner water, or 3 months of typical use. That's 2x longer than most faucet filters. Main features: satisfaction guarantee, fast and effective, convenient. Number 1. AQUACREST RF 9999 Water Filter. It is designed to improve your life with clean, offering you faster water flow that can save waiting time. TDS stands for Total Dissolved Solids. Main features: highly efficient filtration, no matter for drinking, interchangeable. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.